How to fix Roblox not launching in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open any browser in your PC, and then in the search bar, go ahead and search for Roblox status. So once you're here, go ahead and tap on the first link. And if you see a green line over here, it means that Roblox server is completely fine. So how do we fix it? So in the search bar, you want to go ahead and search for add or remove program. And once you're inside here in the search bar, go ahead and search for Roblox. Once you search for it, you simply want to go ahead and tap on this three dot and then uninstall it. Do the same for this one as well. Once it is installed in the search bar, go ahead and search for run. And then simply type in percentage local app data percentage and then tap OK. From here in your keyboard, press R and then tap on Roblox. Tap on versions and you want to go ahead and tap on versions again. Just like so, you'll then be able to find a Roblox player installer. Right click onto it, then tap on properties. Inside here, simply tap on compatibility and then tick mark this option that says run this program as an administrator, then tap apply, then tap OK. And just like so, it will fix your issue. That is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.